You want some seeds, Mr. Parrot? Oh. Oh! Hello everybody, this is Billy and welcome to another video in the Pirate Fortune Season 2. When Quincy's not here, and he is actually on that boat over there. The one over there, and look, I got someone called Sparrow with me for today's video. So, I am actually going to adventure. These boats are slow as hell. It's not even funny how slow it is. Nope. You sit there. So, this is our island right here. So, the first season, we went here, went there, and there. Now, we're probably going to do the same route, but I let him choose what island we're going to go on to for these ones, but these two, we're going here, end the video there, start the video there, go here, end the video, start the video, over here. We end the video here, but we start the video here, and then I ask him which one we're going to. And that's what's basically going to happen. So yeah, Sparrow, you're coming with me. Yeah, but yeah, like I said, these boats are slow as hell. There's no idea how slow it is. That's what you guys are making? Smell couldn't be fresher than this. I'm gonna remember season 1, the boats were like actually pretty useful to have. Not a waste of money like now. So come on, Sparrow. Yeah, it's gonna be one hell of a swim. Blackbeard. Or One-Eye Willie. Huh. You good? Thank you. Let's look. The Moon Island. Okay, this shouldn't be too hard. So this is the moon area. That means there should be a further on the island. Water. Come on, Sparrow, get on. Okay, this one's actually hard to find. Oh, I can't carry anymore? Well, time to do that. I'm swimming. Sick. Oh, I just hit myself. I think it's because Quincy's a little too close to his headset. I just can't talk loud. Right? No, maybe not. I do, in fact, want to try to get myself some armor, because with that, I am basically indestructible. That's a bad Sparrow over there, Mr. Sparrow. That is evil. There should be a fancy chest. Get over here, Sparrow. No, the music! There might be a chest up here. Nope. I probably thought that from last season. Oh, pooping knuckles. Yeah, that's probably the best if you stay right there, Jack. I mean, not Jack, Sparrow. There we go. Of course, I will be splitting this with Quincy. I'm not gonna go savage mode and just take all the gold for myself. I'm a fair pirate. I am not a dirty one. I have a dirty mind, yes, but I'm not that. I'm not gonna like steal from my own friends. Dirty. Let's get Sparrow. Come on, Sparrow. Yep. That was one of the danger is place for a pet because how many? It's like a mini boss kind of. Oh, hello, Mr. Blue Pirate. Here. Be over there actually. Oh, there's one over there though. Oh, you little piece of shit, huh? And there should be one at the very end. here. Oh, oh. There it is. Oh, run, Sparrow and Jack Sparrow! Run with your... We should be far enough. Get back over here, Sparrow. Hello, Sarah. Smithy? Smithy. Give me that. Give me a little bit of that. And no more. Haha. I can't see. There should be some on the list. Wait, did I just stole all the money for myself? I will give him the rest of my gold for being a dick of wasting all the money up for myself. Oh wait, I was gonna give him the leggings. So we should be even. Sparrow? There should be some on that island over there. Oh wait, you know what? Come here, Sparrow. Come here, Sparrow. Come here. Okay, I'm not doing that horse shit. We be rolling. So on that island there should be some gold. Damn, this thing is so slow. I miss how it used to be. Does anybody miss how fast this boats used to be? Because I sure do. They're like actually useful, now they're just pointless. Now I'm here. Jack's here. We're all here. We're all happy. Found some goo. Okay, so this is that one. There should be one over there. heard it. Oh, there it is. You know, I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna say Moon Island is done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and be part of the Train Clan. And I promise Quincy will be in the next video. I promise. So yeah, bye everybody.